Good afternoon, YouTube. Here we are back in the garden trying to get some rows run today, but I think we might have a little bit of a problem. Somebody likes to garden more than we do. That is the strangest cat I have ever seen. But I was going to do everything with the Super C like I said in the past video, but I don't have enough of the correct clamps for the toolbar to attach the hillers and stuff. So we got the dependable 140 out here. I've got my hillers set up, ready to go. I did a little test run, and here comes Nosy. Once again, that is the strangest cat I have ever seen. So, and the sweeps are on the back. Today is fortunate enough, I've got some help. My oldest daughter is out here and she's going to do some filming while I play in the dirt. So stay tuned. I'm going to get on the tractor and hopefully the cat will get out from under the tractor. Here we go. All right, Beans, get out from under the tractor. right, I got the rows run. It didn't take as long as I imagined. It's a lot better when you've got help, but they're not as neat as I want. I want to get more dirt up on top, so I am going to readjust the hillers and do a little test run, and then I'm gonna come back and we'll see, because I want to get more dirt up on top. So let me readjust the hillers and we'll be back in just a few minutes. Thank you. All right, welcome back. You can see that looks a lot better. I've got more dirt up there just by adjusting the hillers out. So my battery's running a little low. We're going to switch batteries and then try and make everything else as neat as this, and I can come back and top it off, get it flat on top. And that should be it for today. So we're going to switch batteries now, and we'll be back in a few. All right, welcome back. Here we are at the end of the video. I've got my rows run. They all look good. Some of them are a little pointed or kind of like a triangular shape. So I am going to follow JT West's advice, and I'm going to knock the tops down so that when it rains or you water it, it'll be a flat surface and it'll have better water retention. Now, in a previous video, I said I wanted to do all of this with the Super C this year, but unfortunately, I don't have all the clamps to go on the toolbar, so I've got to buy those. That's why I used the 140. But I do have the Super C sitting here now, and we'll get into that while the Super C is sitting here. I am going to set the Super C up to do a 2-row cultivation, because I have a 2-row cultivator over there at the shop. So I'm going to use the Super C to cultivate this year and have some fun with the Super C and make the 140 jealous. Just kidding. So I'll show you what I mean by setting it up. So let's stand in front of the tractor and you can see better. Okay, I've got the front wheels in the middle of the row, and you can see the back wheel is very close to running on the side of the row. So what I need to do is loosen the clamps and move the rear wheels out to where they run down the middle of the rows. It's just that simple. So that's why I can do it. Anyway, so that's why the Super C is sitting here. I'm going to get my measurements and go back over to the shop, move the wheels out, then I'll come back and make sure that I'm right and do any fine adjustments. And then once we're done with that and we start cultivating, you'll be seeing a lot more of the Super C. So that is it for today. I'd like to once again welcome all the new subscribers to the channel, and a big thank you for all the subscribers who continue to support the channel. That should be a tongue twister. But that's it for today. Thank you very much from Old Red Tractors, and we'll see you again.